In this task, we need to install Tomcat web server and app server 2 and then map it to 8083 port and then copy root.war file from job host to app server 2. So before that, if you open new terminal here, if you curl http stapp02 on port number 8083. So now you don't see anything for now. But once you install Tomcat, so let's connect it to app server 2. Get the password and paste it. Just be a sudo user because we need to install it. So run yum update -y ampersand yum install tomcat -y. So this ampersand helps us to run multiple commands in once. If this command succeeds, then only it's gonna run this command because of this ampersand. So meanwhile, what we need to do, let's copy our, just use the scp command /temp and that root.war to steve stf02, and we need to give path as well for the directory location. So I'm gonna send it to Steve's home directory, put the password. Okay, let me copy the password again. Yeah, it's been sent. If you come over here, it is still installing. Just rerun that curl command. Of course, nothing gonna happen. Just look for default port. You don't see anything. Okay, it seems installed. So let's start the service. Systemctl start Tomcat. So if you come back here, now you can see this page because Tomcat default by default runs on port 8080. Now we need to change that to 8080 and then copy that root.war file. So if I do ls here, I can see that root.war because we sent it using a scp command. Now if you move this root to, you need to put this in this specific location /user share tomcat and web apps. Yeah, now what we need to do, let's edit this file /etc tomcat, think, yeah, server.xml, look for it, and then we need to change the port 8080. So if you put slash and then 8080, then enter. Now we need to change this one because these were commented, so no need to worry about them. The only thing we just need to edit this one. I for insert 8083 escape shift ZZ. Okay, now we need to restart the service to to make these changes effectively. So systemctl restart Tomcat. We come back here, just rerun the curl. It says connection refused because we updated the port to 8083. Now we can see this one coming from root.war file. So welcome to Xvision Corp Industries. So let's check the task results now. Yeah, it's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.